What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today, I'm going to show you what I think is going to be the biggest change to SMMA in the near future. So, if you're not familiar with the software I'm in, it is Go High Level. If you are familiar with Go High Level, you know that it is the greatest software ever. Literally, it is just awesome. If you don't know what Go High Level is, then it is a platform or a software that has everything all in one spot. You got calendars, you can get rid of Calendly, you can get rid of ClickFunnels, you can run funnels from here, you can make a website from here, you can do chat widgets, you can do text automation. The list goes on and on. Go High Level is the future if you're a business owner. So that leads me to the newest addition to the family. If you see, I'm in a tab called Manage Ads. This is ads for Facebook. So the way this works is you get UpHex. UpHex directly connects to your Go High Level account, and then you will log into Facebook, select your Facebook ad account, then you click the templates that you like, the business templates you would want to use. So there's hundreds of them. So for me, I just chose like gyms, hair salons, HVAC, yoga. Could have chose real estate. I got agencies here, car wash thing. I clicked things I thought I might use just to test this out, and it worked really, really good. So just for an example, I'm gonna show you one for gyms. So you'll click gyms right here. You have like six different or seven different ads you can choose from or templates. So for example, we're going to click this template right here. So you can click the way that you want the campaign to be. So we'll do lead form, daily budget, $10. You'll put your website in. We'll do for a gym, we'll do a 30-mile radius from where the gym is located. Now, if you click the optional info, you have things that can be changed. So if I was running ads for like e-commerce or something, you wouldn't need a location to be a 30-mile radius. So you can actually select regions or zip codes and stuff that you want to run the ads to. You can type in United States, run into a country, just like a normal Facebook ad would be. Then you can change your the media here, so you can add a video, you can add another image that you want to use, so on and so forth. However you want to run your ad, you can customize it to your own liking. You can change this here. So if you wanted to run it for $50 a month, we do this. So 25. You have your primary text, your headlines. You can change all this for me. Now I haven't had to start a new campaign in here in the last week or so. I've been running the same ad, but right here, if you want to change this text, what I had to do is I had to go through the the UpHex website. So you would change it on the UpHex website, and then it would actually change it in here as well. So just changing this text right here, if I did this, it wouldn't actually change in the ad itself. Now, could be fixed. Don't know 100% on that. So just verify it if you do change it, or if you mess with something in here and didn't think it's going to save, then it could still save. I don't know if they changed it or not. But all you do is click launch campaign. So you can literally run your Facebook ads in 3 clicks. And we're going to count these real quick. So you're going to go to templates. We're going to say we're going to run ads for agencies. You're going to click 1, click 2, and then if your stuff is saved, click 3. That's it. In 3 ads. So one more thing. If you see this, it says niche title singular, results they want, whatever. What that's referring to is right here. It says niche title singular, and then result they want. If you change that, whatever's in this template right here, this text, a business owner. If I type business owner, then it would say, so if you're a business owner and interested in, and then the same thing for the results. You put customers or paying customers here. We put that in there. And that is the ad I tried to run with this. For this agency ad, it is the only one I have had any hiccups with or problems with. And this one was a little more than a hiccup. It was actually pretty devastating for me because it did get my ad account disabled. If you've ran Facebook ads, you know that if you don't have the right ad category selected, Facebook will reject the ad. And then if you get an ad rejected 3 or 4 times, then they're going to disable your account. So that happened to me. I ran this ad directly as the template states. Facebook thought that I was looking for employment. I was trying to find somebody to hire me to do this when that wasn't the case. And I reviewed the ad after it got rejected. It got rejected again. I guess my wording wasn't perfect in this, or I did update the image, so it could be the problem there. But it ended up disabling one of my ad accounts. So be very weary about that. If Facebook does reject it the first time, You can hit review. A lot of the times, just reviewing the ad the second time, they'll catch it and you're good. But sometimes this ad can be it can be sketchy because you are running for an agency and they will think it's employment and it'll flag your ad for discrimination, and they just have the ad category part of that in the discrimination. So I saw discrimination. I wasn't exactly sure what they were flagging it for. I didn't know if it was because I put business owners and they thought I was discriminating against people that wasn't a business owner. But that wasn't the case. It was for employment, and we got it all fixed. My ad account is now unbanned after a couple weeks, but dude, definitely be wary about that. But yeah, if you guys don't have Go High Level yet, if you want a free trial, I do have a 14-day free trial. Link in the description to be an affiliate with me. All my affiliates will get a course. Course is not finished yet. I am working on this course. I will give you guys the free course. It should be done within the next week or so. You get a free onboarding course that you can give to your clients to show them how to use the Go High Level software. And that's actually a really good selling point. So if you're selling software as a service and you want your clients to be able to get in there to Go High Level and run everything themselves, you can actually give them an onboarding course and throw it in for free, and it helps you kind of sell a little bit. So why is this going to change SMMA? Let's go ahead and jump into that. SMMA, a lot of the times, if you go into those Discord servers, you get questions all the time. I've seen hundreds of them, literally. And it's people saying, should I get a media buyer first before I learn how to run ads? How do I learn how to run ads? Do I get a client before learning how to run ads? So on and so forth. This literally allows you to run ads without knowing how to run ads. You can sell the ad service to them, whatever your SMMA offer is, and then come in here, click 3 clicks, and have an ad running for that business. And pretty much every business there's a template for their ads. You can change the image a little bit to an image they want. You can change the titles a little bit to an offer that they want to give out to their customers. However you want to do it. I mean, it's so customizable, and it's awesome, guys. So for me, I've had an SMMA for about 3 months. I have one client. That's it. It's very difficult to get a client. My retainer's $800 a month for that client. With SaaS, I've been doing SaaS for literally 3 weeks now, and I've already got it. I mean, the first cold message I did was a success, and it was only a $97 a month retainer on the first client. But all I did was found an auto detailer who didn't have a website, and I sent them a template that I got from the Go High Level website itself. I changed the text to text that would suit their business, and then when I sent them a link to the website I had already built, it took me 20 minutes. They thought it was awesome, and all I had to do was change some images around, and now I have a $97 a month customer that took me 30 minutes. Now, I did ask some more stuff for them. I kind of put more time than I should have in for this little website for $97, but it's really simple, guys. Once you learn how to use Go High Level, it is the greatest software ever. So I'm gonna give you guys an example of software as a service. If you go up here to your SaaS configurator, this is for the $497 a month plan. So if you have Go High Level, you're paying $500 a month. I know that sounds like a lot, but if you get one client paying $300 a month, you've almost covered it there. And you can get the $297 a month plan, and you get everything. You can do everything that you could with the $497 a month. You just don't have the convenience of this right here. So it automatically puts the products in for you, and you can connect it to your funnels, and it makes things a little bit easier and a little bit faster. But you can do everything with the $297 a month plan. So if you can't afford the $500 and you can't afford the $297, go for the $297, guys. It's awesome. It all works. If you want to start a SaaS service, I would definitely recommend it. You can upsell SMMA with SaaS. So you can sell them on $97 or $297 a month for a website and for all these different things. And you can edit these however you want, kind of deal. So you can drag it, drop it. But you can upsell with Facebook ads. That takes you 30 minutes. So if they want a done for you, not a done with you, because I offer both. I do them for $97 a month. They get the entire platform, the entire Go High Level service, white labeled for me. So you see my logo up there at the top left. They get that for $97 a month. And my first client got a free website as well. But the way that I do things, you get the software for $97 a month. If you want me to build your website for you, it's a one-time fee of $200 for $200, and then $97 a month after that. You get all the software and a website built. If you want a website built, you want all the workflow done for you, you want rewards program. Like for restaurants, I'm working with one restaurant right now for $297 a month. They get a rewards plan, they get a website, they get all this stuff done, and it's really really simple. You just get like a QR code. So we're in the process of getting QR codes for all their menus and all their tables. And when somebody comes and scans the QR code with their phone, it'll sign them up for the rewards, and then they'll get a text message from the text automation that goes directly to the phone saying, "Hey, you're eligible for a free appetizer or a free side," however the business wants to do it. And then if you show the waitress or the waiter that text message, then that confirms the free side or free appetizer. And it works really really good because if I'm hungry and I don't know where to eat, and I get a text from Burger King, or we're not going to use Burger King, my bad. I get a text from a sushi restaurant and it says, "Buy one sushi, get one free." I will be more likely to go to that restaurant because I got a reward in quotes. So that guys, there's just so many things you can do with Go High Level. So many ways to use it. I really do recommend starting a SaaS business if you're into SMMA, swap to SaaS and offer the upcharge for your advertising services because it's easy to sell 97 a month. Easy. Any business can afford $97 a month, literally. And or I'm gonna say literally 98% of businesses can afford $97 a month, and if they can't, they're struggling hard anyways. But charging $1,500 a month and $2,000 a month, $5,000 a month, so on. I mean, it's a lot harder to sell that than it is $97 a month, regardless of what some people say. Even $300 a month is that hard to sell. I've sold two of those, and they're not hard, guys. It's not difficult. So if you're wanting to know how to get into SaaS, hit the sub button, guys. Hit the like button. I will be posting videos on exactly how I do things, how I run things, how I'm getting clients, how I outreach. It's really simple, guys. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video.